There's something I love about finding a piece at the thrift store that has good bones. The color might not be right or the finish might be a little dated, but with a few simple changes, it can become something completely different. I found these 3 vases on different thrift store trips, and today I'm giving each one a new look. Hi everyone, welcome to Home with Marie. Today I have a few designer-inspired vases that I'm going to make a DIY out of, so let's get started. The first vase was probably my favorite find because of its shape. It already had that high-end look, I just wanted to give it a warmer, aged finish. It already had a bit of texture, but I wanted to add some more, so I mixed some burnt umber acrylic paint with baking soda and brushed it over the whole vase. After the first coat dried, I added one more for good coverage. Then I lightened the paint with a little white acrylic and gently dabbed it on with a damp paper towel. I wasn't trying to make it look perfect, I just wanted to create a little depth and let some of the darker colors show through. Originally, I planned to use it as a vase, but once it was finished, it reminded me of those beautiful pottery lamps. So to make it into one, I placed a small bowl inside to raise the light, added a small lamp that fit inside the opening, and finished it with a thrifted lampshade after giving it a quick wipe down. This one turned out so warm and cozy. For the next one, I found this beautiful fluted vase at Goodwill. For the second vase, I wanted something much lighter. I mixed white paint with just a little bit of brown to warm it up. Then added baking soda for texture before brushing it onto the vase. Once it dried, I mixed a slightly darker version of the same color and started dabbing it on with a damp paper towel. And then I did another layer that was even darker. I kept layering until I was happy with it, then used my fingertips to soften everything together and place the color exactly where I wanted it. It has such a pretty, simple, timeless look now. vase was another one I picked up because of the shape, even though I wasn't a fan of the original finish. I started by spray painting it a warm neutral brown to cover the pattern and give myself a fresh base. After letting it dry overnight, I mixed garden lime with water and brushed it over the entire vase before leaving it outside to dry in the sun. I did find that after one coat of the garden lime, it had a nice smooth finish, and once I added the second coat, it started adding a lot more texture. So if you'd prefer a smooth finish, just stick with one coat. But I was really going for the texture on this vase. As it dried, it developed the prettiest soft texture that really looked like aged pottery. It completely changed this vase into something I love. These projects inspire you next time you're walking through a thrift store. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. If you enjoyed creating with me, I'd love to have you back for more cozy DIYs and thrifted makeovers. Thank you for joining me for today's DIYs. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.